Hi, my name's Nick. I'm General Manager of Kryptonite. I'm going to talk to you today about the New York Forget About It lock. This lock scores 10 out of 10 on our security rating. This is basically the strongest lock money can buy. This lock's great for a quick stop or an overnight stop in an urban area, frankly, anywhere. The New York Forget About It comes with a double deadbolt, which means it has a lock on both sides of the shackle. It also comes with 3 stainless steel keys, one of them with an LED light. Don't forget to register those online, because if you lose them, we can replace them. It has a dust cover on the crossbar to prevent dirt and grime getting into the keyway. And as you'd expect, it comes with a Kryptonite lifetime warranty. The Forget About It comes with 18mm triple heat treated steel, an oversized hardened steel crossbar, and interior locking dimensions of 3 1/4 by 6 inches, which means thieves will have a hard time getting any kind of tool inside that U-lock. So let's remind ourselves, the Kryptonite Forget About It U-lock is the strongest U-lock we make. It scores 10 out of 10 on our security rating system. It is the urban lock you can use in just about any situation. For more information, go to kryptonitelock.com. Hi, I'm Nick, General Manager of Kryptonite. I'm going to talk to you today about the Keeper 785 chain. The Keeper 785 scores a 5 out of 10 on our 1 through 10 security rating, which means it's great for short stops in metropolitan areas or longer stops in areas with a little less theft. The beauty of a chain is that it combines the strength of a U-lock with the flexibility of a cable. The Keeper 785 comes with 2 stainless steel keys. Forget to register those online, so if you lose them, we can replace them. The end link of the chain actually fits into the head of the lock, creating a super secure system. This chain is 33 inches, 85 centimeters long, and is covered in a thick webbing that protects your bike. And don't forget, the beauty of the chain, nice and compact. Keeper 785, great, moderate, flexible security. There's also a shorter version.
Hey, I'm Daryl from Kryptonite. Today I'd like to talk to you about properly locking your bike with a U-lock. A few things to remember before we get started. First, always lock in a well-lit area. No dark alleys. Second, always lock to a stationary object that cannot be cut and that you cannot easily remove the bike from. Third, always lock according to value. First, your number 1 priority is your frame, second is your rear wheel, and third is your front wheel. Now let's do this. So first, you take your shackle, and you come around and capture the frame and the rear wheel, and just connect the crossbar. What you want to remember is you want to take up as much usable space here in the shackle as possible, so a thief cannot get a tool in there. You also want to make sure the lock is elevated, up off the ground, with the keyway facing down. Today, I'd like to also show you a few more ways to get added security that will include your front wheel. One of the ways is using a double loop cable. What you want to do is run the cable around your front wheel, securing it with the shackle of the U-lock. This gives you additional protection, but remember, the cable is just a secondary deterrent. It is never to be used in place of a U-lock, and always make sure that the U-lock is what's locking to the immovable object. Another option for adding additional security or lockup is to use a mini chain on your front wheel. All you want to do here is make sure that you're locking your frame to the front wheel. Another popular option is for folks that carry a second U-lock. Again, all you want to do here is lock the frame to the front wheel. So let's recap. Remember, always lock in a well-lit area. Always lock to a stationary object that can't be cut and that you can't lift the bike up and over. And always lock according to value. First priority is the frame, then the rear wheel, then the front wheel. And remember, when you're locking the bike, always keep the lock up off the ground with the keyway facing down. For more information, head on over to kryptonitelock.com.
Hi, my name's Pete. I'm here today to talk to you about the Kryptonite Evolution Mini 5. The Evolution Mini 5 is rated a 7 out of 10.
Hey guys, how's it going? Tyler here. Again, going to come back and do another review on another Extreme Bright product. I love the last one that we did. We did the camping lantern. This time it's the Illumalock. Just got this in. It's actually my second one that I got in. My daughter took my first one. She snatched up, put it on her bike. So I didn't get a chance to use it. So I got this one, super pumped, ready to go. Typical fashion, you know, we got the nice packaging, nice presentation. Really enjoy this. So let's open this up. Let's see what we got inside. I actually did read this out of the other one that I got. Letter from the company, letter from the owner, John Gill. Awesome guy, awesome company. They have you. That, you know, they have your back. They stand by their products. I'm impressed. Great stuff coming out of Extreme Bright. I absolutely recommend any one of their products because I know exactly what I'm getting when I order it. Nothing changes, nothing drops off with them. So kudos to them. Pull this out here and wow. First, impression on this is it is heavy. It is bulky, and not in a bad way. This is freaking awesome here. It is really got some bulk to it. And if you can see, I'll actually bring this a little bit closer here. That is steel wiring in there, stainless steel wiring with a plastic casing. That is great. But it's been done before. What I'm really noticing here that's standing out amongst the rest is this mechanism up top. This is a thing of beauty. Really, really well made, sturdy. I like it. With programming the other one, extremely easy to program. Put your code in. There's actually a little lever on the inside here. Turn it in. Put your new code in there. Turn it to lock it, and away you go. But the real reason that this product is made by Extreme Bright is for that little guy right there. LED light built into there. I can't even tell you the amount of ideas I have that you can utilize that feature. The one thing for me that I was thinking about is even just going out to get your bike at night, from the garage. Yeah, this double acts as a flashlight for you. I already have the Extreme Bright bike light on my bike already, which is awesome. But just to get out your bike, that is extremely useful. It is blue. It makes the numbers extremely easy to read on there if you can pick that up on camera. But that is awesome. The coiling on there, if you guys can see that, came out of the box like that, but even when pulling it apart, I noticed that it pops right back into place. So on the fly here, that is something that I'm really going to enjoy. I've bought a few from Walmart here and there throughout the years, and they do not do that. They do, when you have them packaged up, but the second you use them, they stop doing it. And this one goes right back into its shape. So that is awesome. And the other thing that comes in the box is this little doohickey here. And I had to really think about what this was when I got it. But upon further inspection, it's a clip. Clip your bike lock right on in there. I'm the kind of guy I actually usually coil this up right on the main frame of the bike. It's kind of pain to do so. But this is going to be really, really cool. I'm going to put this onto some sort of main frame on the bike, maybe under the seat, and it's just a clip in. And the cool thing is that it is sturdy. It is really in there. So great addition. Awesome that Extreme Bright decided to put that in there. That is going to make life a lot easier. That's pretty much going to do it, for this. Just as a little bit of a recap and summary, this bike lock is something that you will not have to worry about your bike, your investment. You don't have to worry about it being jeopardized. If you're going to spend the money on a lock, you're going to want one that's going to hold up, and this is definitely going to do it. So in closing, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys next time.